Thank you, Mr. Speaker. And I enjoyed my colleague across the aisle and the member from Pontiac. And the member from Pontiac said something like greenhouse gas emissions know no national boundary. And I think everyone in this House would recognize that's true. My riding is very agricultural, but it's also very industrial. We have 2 automotive plants, a lot of suppliers to the automotive industry. And I just wonder if the member opposite could tell me about the carbon tax in Michigan, Ohio, New York, Pennsylvania. These are all states that end up getting our cheap electricity because of the green energy policy in Ontario, who now compete with our industry. And I'm wondering if he recognizes that we are going to put ourselves in a terrible disadvantage. Is the opposition to this is the people. The people of Ontario have spoke very loudly in Ontario this last week, and I'm just wondering if he has any thoughts about that whole issue.
The honourable member for Glengarry, Prescott Russell.
I want to thank the honourable member for his question. I have a lot of farmers back home, and what I can tell them, I'm in Ontario as well, and what I can tell them is that this Prime Minister and the Minister of Environment has heard them loud and clear, and should the Ford government decide to cancel programs that or cancel carbon pricing, I can reassure them that the federal program will not impact farmers. And I'll repeat, the federal program on price on carbon will not impact farmers. So why are we voting here tonight? Why are the opposition pressing us to vote here tonight? Are we just going to continue hearing empty rhetoric with empty chairs? My question to that member is, how many Conservative members will be here tonight?